Welcome to an automated reading from the Dynamics podcast. In this episode, overview of Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management 2021 Release Wave 1. Part 3 of 3. Manufacturing and Asset Management. Disclaimer: this document is changed to fit this format and might contain deviations from the original release notes. Please refer to the full release notes on roadmap.dynamics.com for the entire story and more. Let's get on with the show. Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management is an end-to-end supply chain solution that enables organizations to gain visibility, resiliency, and efficiency in their supply chain. The 2021 Release Wave 1 further empowers Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management users to provide a single, organization-wide source of truth for inventory quantity on hand with the Inventory Visibility add-in. Enable visibility of goods in transit and calculate landed cost of shipments using landed cost. Increase transparency and efficiency for asset management users by enabling those companies to bill their customers for the maintenance performed. Reduce training time and cost, and increase productivity of warehouse workers with a fresh, user-friendly mobile application. Achieve compliance with international accounting standards with the Global Inventory Accounting add-in. Reduce the administrative time and effort associated with maintaining rebates and deductions programs using rebate management. Enable customers to execute mission-critical operations without interruption and at scale, building resilience into manufacturing and warehouse operations by extending to edge-scale units. Help planners at manufacturing companies control their production schedule and determine delivery lead times, giving more flexibility in controlling both lead time buffers and the planning horizon. What's new and planned for Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management? This topic lists features that are planned to release from April 2021 through September 2021. Because this topic lists features that may not have released yet, delivery timelines may change and projected functionality may not be released. For more information, go to Microsoft Policy. First topic, new topic, manufacturing. This release focuses on enabling customers to execute mission-critical manufacturing processes without interruption and at scale, and on building resilience into key manufacturing processes by extending your cloud hub with edge-scale units on the shop floor. It also brings enhancements and new innovations to the production floor execution interface, including asset management integration. New feature, enhanced production floor execution interface for manufacturing. Public preview, June 2021. General availability, July 2021. This feature enables process industry manufacturers to take advantage of the benefits of a scale unit architecture by adding important capabilities to the production floor execution interface. It ensures the traceability of batch and serial numbers for consumed materials, and increases the accuracy of cost and inventory records by recording actual consumption rather than using estimated consumption. It also provides greater insights and predictability on the production floor. This feature enables process manufacturers and manufacturers requiring explicit registration of material consumption to take advantage of the production floor execution interface when it is running as a manufacturing workload on a scale unit. With this feature, process manufacturers can use the production floor execution interface to report coproducts and byproducts. Workers can pick batch and serial numbers for raw materials and adjust raw material consumption within the production floor execution interface. Workers can search for jobs in the jobs list. This feature is optimized for scanning. Manufacturers can configure the production floor execution interface to only support clock-in and clock-out registrations. Workers can request maintenance from the production floor execution interface as soon as the issue occurs. The close integration with asset management will automatically request maintenance. Operators can register machine downtime with a description and reason code. Downtime registrations can be used to calculate the efficiency of a machine. Up to 4 tiles can be configured showing selected asset counter values for a machine in the production floor execution interface. These can be used to monitor the health and state of the machine asset. IoT sensor signals and data from other processes can be visualized in the production floor execution interface using embedded Power BI analytics. See also how workers use the production floor execution interface in docs.microsoft.com. New feature, manufacturing execution with scale units in the cloud. Public preview, February 2021. General availability, June 2021. Companies can execute mission-critical manufacturing processes without interruption, and at scale, and build resilience into key manufacturing processes. Improve the resilience of your manufacturing processes by extending your cloud hub with cloud scale units that run manufacturing workloads. Each manufacturing workload takes ownership of certain manufacturing execution-related data and processes at a selected site. The manufacturing workload for this release provides the following capabilities and benefits. Cloud scale units deliver dedicated processing capacity in the regional cloud and provide the scaling capabilities required to support processing without interruption. Workers on the shop floor run the execution phase of manufacturing processes in a distributed mode while work planning and finalization is done centrally on the hub. Workers can clock in and clock out, select and start multiple jobs at once, start new jobs in parallel, report output and scrap, register breaks and inactive activities, and more. The new production floor execution interface for workers is modern, customizable, and optimized for touch interaction. Workers can request maintenance from the production floor execution interface as soon as the issue occurs. The close integration with asset management will automatically add a formal maintenance request to the system. Operators can register machine downtime with a description and reason code. Downtime registrations can be used to calculate the efficiency of a machine. Up to 4 tiles can be configured to show selected asset counter values for a machine in the production floor execution interface. These can be used to monitor the health and state of the machine asset. New feature, worker sign-in with face recognition. Public preview, April 2021. General availability, June 2021. Face recognition offers a fast and seamless identification experience. It means that workers don't have to carry badges to sign in and reduces the risk of fraud that could otherwise occur if workers were able to exchange badges. This feature adds face recognition capabilities that enable production floor workers to sign into the production floor execution interface simply by looking into a camera. This allows companies to eliminate the need to use badges for sign-in, and provides workers with a hands-free sign-in experience. New feature, saved views for production control. Public preview, February 2021. General availability, April 2021. This feature provides a collection of simplified views for manufacturing. Each view includes only the fields used most often, thereby providing a quicker overview and a streamlined work process. It adds simplified views for the following pages in supply chain management: production orders list page, details page, BOM page, and picking list page. New feature, manufacturing execution with edge scale units on your custom hardware. Public preview, April 2021. General availability, July 2021. Companies can execute mission-critical manufacturing processes without interruption, and at scale, including in situations where internet connections are occasionally unstable. Improve the resilience of your manufacturing processes using edge scale units running on physical appliances located on your own shop floor. Edge scale units operate independently from the hub and allow production facilities to remain operational even during a connectivity failure. Maintenance can be scheduled independently of cloud instances. Workers using computers and handheld devices connected to the edge scale unit will have the same capabilities as when working against a cloud scale unit. New topic: Asset Management. This release provides efficiencies and transparency for companies that use the capabilities of Asset Management add-in for Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management for performing maintenance on assets owned by their customers. It enables those companies to bill their customers for the maintenance performed. It also provides incremental improvements that simplify and improve the efficiency of scheduling and executing planned maintenance work, and to ensure required maintenance work is performed at the right time, for example, based on usage sensor data. New feature: bill customers for maintenance work. Public preview, February 2021. General availability, April 2021. Improve efficiency and transparency in the processes of creating, billing, and processing maintenance work done on your customers' assets. This feature introduces capabilities that add efficiency and transparency when you create, process, and bill maintenance work, including: create maintenance work orders on assets owned by your customers. Register time, material, expenses, and fees when processing work on assets owned by your customers. Bill customers for maintenance work done on assets owned by those customers. This feature enables you to create, process, and bill maintenance work done on assets owned by your customers. It lets you do the following: connect customers to the assets they own. Choose a customer and view the assets that customer owns when you create a work order. Set up a parent project for each customer. Automatically copy the project contract from a customer's parent project to the relevant work order project. Register hours, items, expenses, and fees against the work order, and afterward create an invoice proposal for the customer. In addition, Asset Management can now use the fee project transaction type both on work order forecasts and work order journals. New feature: apply rules for grouping work orders while running a maintenance plan. Public preview, February 2021. General availability, April 2021. Making the maintenance workers more efficient by optimizing the execution plan for maintenance work orders. This enhancement lets you establish rules for grouping work order lines under a single work order when the system is set to generate work orders automatically based on a maintenance plan. Previously, automatically generated work orders could only contain a single line, but now it's possible to group, for example, per asset type, or per functional location. New feature: track asset usage based on IoT signals. Public preview, June 2021. General availability, July 2021. Increase the productivity, quality, and efficiency of assets on the manufacturing floor. This feature adds new capabilities for tracking the health, state, and usage of assets based on signals arriving from the Internet of Things, IoT. These metrics can be visualized in the production floor execution interface. New feature: plan maintenance based on accumulated asset counter values. Public preview, February 2021. General availability, April 2021. Secure and effective use of equipment by optimizing the plan for required maintenance. This feature makes it possible to plan maintenance based on accumulated asset counter values. This can be especially valuable for processes with fluctuating output. For example, you could set the system to generate a planned maintenance record each time an emergency water pump has run for 1,000 hours since its last maintenance. The feature works by adding a new interval type for maintenance plan lines called accumulated counter value. This concludes Part 3 of the release wave document covering Dynamics 365 Supply Chain Management. Please subscribe to our podcast and YouTube channel. Thank you.